Today we are going to cook a very common Chinese dish, beef and broccoli.
First, to remove the skin for the garlic clove, we just have to smash it. As you can see, it's very easy to peel it off once you smash it one more time. See? Then we can smash it a couple more times to make it completely flattened, and then we can start chopping them up into minced garlic in both ways, up and down, and make sure you don't chop off your hands. Before we cut the ginger root, in Chinese cooking, usually we'll peel off the skin because we usually don't use the skin. We consider them dirty or it's not good for our health. Then we be sure not to cut your fingers. And then, as I say before, in this recipe, we only need like 3 to 4 slices of ginger.